Yeah, welcome to Memphis, baby. East side, you know what I'm saying? Where we ride all day long, you know what I'm saying? We hustling. Whether you got a 9 to 5, you got juices, pills, let's get it. Hustling every day, hustling trying to get that dough. Hustling every day, a nigga gotta eat for sure. Hustling every day, flying to Cali to get them balls. Hustling every day, I gotta go. Hustling every day, hustling trying to get that dough. Hustling every day, a nigga gotta eat for sure. Hustling every day, flying to Cali to get them balls. Hustling every day, I gotta go.
Jump feet first off that porch when get me some grill. Nigga, can't let you little boy me, ho, I'm taking the trip. I'm gone. Get back with them things, then I'm making the flip. Nigga, no got a boatload, ho, I'm taking the shit. It's mine. So real, so true with this day, enhancing the game. Purple got me move like a turtle, but I'm enhancing my lane. Yeah, haters can't repel me, you can't enhance your stain. Moving by the boatload, we don't hold cocaine.
Cocaine no need. Got the bows with no Z. Nigga wanna zip, it's gon' be 250. My nigga, this east side, this ain't no GD. Get your ass blowed off, fucking with this OG. Been having cream, been fucking hoes on the scene, been dropping grams on the beam. First it was crackin', then I switched to weed, so the feds gon' fuck with me.